up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have another Tacoma video. We're going to be installing a new tailgate insert. So we're going to be taking out the OEM panel and replacing it with this custom one that SnailArmor sent me. Super excited to check it out. Haven't unboxed it yet because I want to get my raw reaction on camera. So let's go ahead and get that going. Alright. Oh, sick. Check these out. These are so sick. Also got a cool little koozie to keep my beers cold on the trail. So the great thing is, if you notice, when you go to install this, you need a certain bit to get those screws out of the tailgate. He actually provides that T30 bit for you and new screws. So if that isn't convenient, I don't know what is. The nice thing about this tailgate specifically is that it's the flattest one on the market. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, no way. No way. That is so sick. Holy, that's rad. You guys gotta check this out. Check it out. We got Wave Machine Tacoma. That's my Instagram. I post on there like every day. So if you want more Tacoma content, go check that out. And then shout out SnailArmor. Check them out too. If you want a sweet tailgate like this, but check that out. Look at this beautiful Great Wave art piece engraved into the tailgate. That looks so sick. If you guys don't know, the name of my truck, Wave Machine Tacoma, is based off of that art piece, so it's super sick that he engraved that in the tailgate for me. Came out amazing. Thank you so much. So one thing you'll notice about this tailgate panel is how flat it is. And if you look at the stock Tacoma one, if you have one, all those little ridges and grooves, like when you're getting in and out of the bed, it's really annoying. It hurts your knees, hurts your butt to sit on. But this gets rid of all of that. It's aluminum that's powder coated, so when it gets wet, you know, you're not slipping around everywhere. The OEM tailgate weighs like 6 pounds, and this is only 9 pounds, so it's like not that much heavier, so it's definitely worth it. This thing could withstand some heat too, so if you want to like put your hot pans on the tailgate, if you want to cook on the tailgate, you're able to do so. It won't damage it. Super sweet. I'm going to set this down on the ground as carefully as I can, and then we'll get started on the install. Alright, so check it out. You get that T30 bit provided for you. Check that out. Comes with it, which is super nice. So keep in mind, all of these bolts along the outer edge of the tailgate are longer than everything else. So just keep that in mind when you're taking these out. Keep those separated if you can. All these guys go there. This is what I was talking about. These guys on this outer edge are longer than the bolts all the way around the other side. So make sure you keep these guys separate. Should pop up. Oh, I forgot. We're gonna go ahead and pop this guy off. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. All these little ridges on this tailgate panel hurt your knees. But we're getting rid of this. We could toss this guy. As you can see, it gets a bit muddy back here, especially with all the mudding and off-roading that I do. If you'd like, you could put silicone around the outer edge of your new panel to help prevent more water from getting back there. But Toyota does have drains in these tailgates, so it's really up to you. I'm not going to do it, but if you wanted to, that option is available. So everything lines up really nicely with the OEM holes. Just do some adjusting, get it sitting in the right places. Everything's perfect. One thing you will notice about this tailgate is that it has this little indentation or cutout right here, which is great. A lot of people forget this when they're making these aftermarket tailgates, because over time off-road, this could crack or bend being right up against your bed like that. It's really awesome that SnailArmor made a solution before it became a problem. But dudes, look how sick this looks. Alright, super easy install. Let me go ahead and finish it up, and then we'll talk more about the panel. We'll start by putting 2 of these larger bolts on each of the outer corners. Be really gentle when you're tightening these in. You don't want to strip these plastic inserts here. Just gonna hand tighten it a bit, get it started. So these screws here actually replace these ones that go on the inner side of the tailgate, so that you're really truly getting the flattest tailgate possible. So check it out. Tighten those real quick. God, you can't even see my face. But my favorite part of the tailgate is that I can now sit on my tailgate and my butt won't hurt from this ugly OEM tailgate. I'd say this is definitely a big upgrade. I mean, look at this. This just ain't it. This ain't it, dude. All these ridges, especially with how often I have to get in the bed of my truck just because of how tall it is and setting up all my overland equipment, it was really annoying sitting on this, or like when you get up and you put your knee in the bed and it's like, oh. If you know, you know. If you have a Tacoma, you know that's an issue. And it's hard to find the best tailgate in the market, but thankfully, you're watching this video, and I'm telling you, this is the best tailgate on the market. I mean, it's durable, it's super flat, you could do any of your cooking on it, it's customizable. So you guys saw I have the Great Wave engraved into my tailgate, but they have custom engraving available. So you could get an engraving of your truck, you could get an engraving of whatever you want. They also have some options available. You can get whatever you want engraved into your tailgate, and that is super cool. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. And if you want to see more Tacoma content, you could go ahead and head on my Instagram, Wave Machine Tacoma, and check that out. I post on there almost every day. And also check out SnailArmor. Go check out his Instagram. Check out all the different custom engravings he's done and all the happy clients. You won't be disappointed. Pick one up. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out. Stay wavy.